The Broken Teacup. Once a young woman named Sarah was given a beautiful teacup by her grandmother. The teacup was delicate, with intricate patterns painted by hand, and Sarah treasured it dearly. One day, while cleaning, she accidentally knocked it off the table, and it shattered. Heartbroken, she collected the pieces and considered throwing them away. But something stopped her. She decided to try mending it instead. With patience, she glued each piece back together. Though the cracks remained visible, the teacup held its form again, and Sarah found it even more beautiful than before. Her grandmother saw what she had done and said, "The cracks are part of its story now. It's not perfect, but it's whole." Sometimes our brokenness can lead to something even more precious. The experience taught Sarah that even when something seems irreparably damaged, there is often a way to mend it, and it may end up even stronger or more beautiful than before.